Visit the mysterious Gravity Hill in India, where the laws of physics seem to be defied, and learn about the scientific explanations behind this phenomenon, including the role of optical illusions and geological formations. Gravity Hill is located in Moniki, India, and is a popular tourist attraction. Cars and other objects appear to move uphill on their own, defying gravity. The phenomenon is caused by an optical illusion, where the surrounding landscape tricks the brain. The hill's unique geological formation, with a slight incline, contributes to the illusion. The brain is misled by the lack of visible landmarks, making it difficult to judge the slope. Gravity Hill is not a unique phenomenon, with similar locations found around the world. Take a tour of the most expensive soccer stadiums ever built, including SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles, which cost a massive $5.5 billion to construct. The most expensive soccer stadium ever built is SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles, California. SoFi Stadium cost a staggering $5.5 billion to construct, making it a record breaker. The stadium's translucent roof is made of 2.5 acres of ETFE material, a first in the industry. SoFi Stadium has a seating capacity of 70,000, expandable to 100,000 for major events. The stadium's construction required over 6,000 workers and took nearly 4 years to complete. SoFi Stadium is not only a sports venue, but also a 24/7 entertainment destination with a nightclub and restaurants. Discover how Royal Mail, one of the oldest postal services, has been delivering mail for over 500 years since its founding in 1516 by Henry VIII. In 1516, Henry VIII established a postal service, marking the birth of Royal Mail. By 1635, Royal Mail was delivering mail across England, with 700 routes and 1,500 horses. In 1784, the first mail coach was introduced, reducing delivery times between cities. During World War I, Royal Mail delivered over 2 billion letters to soldiers and civilians. In 1969, Royal Mail introduced the first postage stamp featuring a photograph, the Machen series. Today, Royal Mail processes over 500 million items daily, with 120,000 employees across the UK. Venture into the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, one of the hottest and most inhospitable places on Earth, where temperatures reach up to 64 degrees Celsius and toxic gases abound. The Danakil Depression in Ethiopia is one of the hottest places on Earth, with temperatures reaching up to 64 degrees Celsius. This region is also home to numerous active volcanoes, making it a hotspot for geothermal activity. The Danakil's unique chemistry creates a toxic environment, with acid lakes and rivers that can dissolve metal. The air is thick with noxious gases, including sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid, making it hard to breathe. Despite the harsh conditions, the Danakil Depression is home to several nomadic tribes, including the Afar people. Witness the breathtaking display of Photinus carolinus fireflies, which synchronize their flashes to create a stunning light show in the forest. Photinus carolinus fireflies are found only in the southeastern United States. These fireflies have a unique ability to control the amount of light they produce. Males use their flashes to attract females, who respond with their own flash patterns. As the fireflies mature, their flashes become synchronized, creating a stunning light show. This synchronized flashing is thought to be an adaptation to overwhelm predators. The light show typically peaks in late May and early June, lasting around 2 weeks. Ever wondered how prime numbers are distributed among the integers? Prime numbers are distributed randomly among the integers, but with a surprising pattern. The prime number theorem states that prime numbers thin out as numbers get larger. Despite this, prime numbers never truly disappear, even among extremely large numbers. The distribution of prime numbers follows a logarithmic scale, not a linear one. The prime number theorem was first proposed by Gauss in the early 19th century. Computers have helped confirm the theorem, but a formal proof remains an open problem in math. Find out how Winona Ryder landed the role of Joyce Byers in Stranger Things, and what she did to prepare for the character, including her research on mothers of missing children. Winona Ryder was initially hesitant to take on the role of Joyce Byers in Stranger Things. The Duffer Brothers specifically wrote the character of Joyce with Winona Ryder in mind. Ryder researched mothers of missing children to prepare for her role as Joyce Byers. She drew inspiration from real-life mothers who had lost children, studying their strength and resilience. Winona Ryder's portrayal of Joyce Byers earned her critical acclaim and numerous award nominations. Her performance as Joyce Byers marked a significant return to her iconic 90 seconds TV and film heyday. Discover how Napoleon Bonaparte's disastrous invasion of Russia in 1812 led to the downfall of his empire, with over 300,000 casualties and a retreat in the harsh Russian winter. Napoleon's invasion of Russia in 1812 was the largest military operation in history at the time. The French army, initially 680,000 strong, was vastly outnumbered by Russia's scorched earth tactics. The Russian winter, with temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius, decimated Napoleon's army, with over 300,000 casualties. The disastrous retreat from Moscow led to widespread desertion, with only 10,000 soldiers remaining loyal to Napoleon. The failure in Russia marked a turning point in Napoleon's fortunes, as European powers sensed his weakness and began to unite against him. Explore the rare and breathtaking morning glory clouds, tubular structures that can stretch for thousands of kilometers, and learn about the science behind their formation, including the role of atmospheric waves and temperature inversions. Morning glory clouds are rare, tubular cloud formations that can stretch for thousands of kilometers. They are associated with atmospheric waves that can cause rolling motions in the air. These clouds often form in the Great Plains of the United States and Australia's Great Plains. Temperature inversions, where cool air lies beneath warm air, play a crucial role in their formation. The unique shape of morning glory clouds can create tubular structures that can be surfed by glider pilots. Explore how long winning streaks have impacted teams' chances of winning the league title, featuring examples from the English Premier League and La Liga. Since 1992, 75% of English Premier League title winners had a winning streak of 7+ games during their campaign. The longest winning streak in the English Premier League is 18 games, achieved by Manchester City in 2017 to 2018. In La Liga, teams with a 10+ game winning streak have a 90% chance of winning the title. Barcelona's 39-game unbeaten streak in 2017 to 2018 is the longest in La Liga history, but they still didn't win the title. The average length of a title winning streak in the English Premier League is 9.5 games. Teams that achieve a 5+ game winning streak are 4 times more likely to win the league title.